She said, no worry about the money, cause she have the cat this way.
Alright.
Then she said, Deva, me I go take you on a flight. Me
what?
say, yeah, whatever, just do it like Nike.
Alright.
Forward. Soon as she grab the mic, cause she frisky with the tongue and her flows them tight. Me frightened, me nearly fraught up like a sprite. She put her mouth on the top and make the pressure bust the pipe.
Ooh, that's him frightened, me nearly fraught up like a sprite.
Reaction.
Boom! What's the ready to be said boy Tyreke Bratt aka the reaction boss? Now people, I just did this video. The audio was messed up on the reaction, so this is not my first time reaction, y'all. Sadly. But the reaction boss is back in effect. We're finna run this reaction phone right now. Leave a like on the video, drop your comments, drop your thoughts on the song. So the first reaction people never know what the song was, you know. Lisa, I mean, so we never know, but we know the song. What you know Mega do? Mega react to it again. Now, I know the song we can give you a different type of reaction to it. Not like listen to the song before we react to it, but sadly, I've heard it before. Let's chat things, let's run the tune. And another thing, I find out the song done and just put it back together. You know, let's chat things. Run the bomb buck about reaction. I beg you fuck. Brother, I'm do the full reaction in the dog. But I like the scenery. Yeah, man, Prodigy! Hey, Prodigy, no, I'm putting chat. Anyways, you're ready, Deva Bratt here, man. Run tune! Hey, Lisa, hey!
She did it.
What she do?
She did it again.
Lisa, hey!
Brain.
She know what I mean when I say she got brain. She got brain, for real. She got brain. Go!
It's well.
Lisa, hey!
Do it again.
Hey! She give him the hype. She make him feel hype. What?
The first night I picked her up on a bike.
Yeah.
She said me shoulda drive because she want keep out of sight.
What?
Right. So we go book a room at Hilton for the night. She
Yeah.
said, worry about the money cause she have the cat this way. Then she said, Deva, me I go take you on a flight. Me say,
What?
yeah, whatever, just do it like now.
What kind of flight? Pull up a tune. Ready? Lisa, I.
She did it.
She did it again.
She got brains.
She got what?
She make it swell.
Lisa,
Do
I.
it again.
Hold on. Come in now.
She give me. She make me feel.
Alright.
The first night I picked her up on a bike.
Yeah.
She said me shoulda drive because she want keep out of sight.
Alright.
Right. So we go book a room at.
Imagine she don't want to see her. But she don't want nobody see her with you. You should have drive a car. Why pick up and bike for make her body go cack off everybody go see her Lisa up here ride out with the famous guac 3000 bars. Go on!
Hilton for the night. She said, no worry about the money cause she have the cat this way.
Alright.
Then she said, Deva, me I go take you on a flight. Me say,
What?
yeah, whatever, just do it like Nike.
Alright.
Forward. Soon as she grab the mic, cause she frisky with the tongue and her flows them tight. Me frightened, me nearly fraught up like a sprite. She put her mouth on the top and make the pressure bust the pipe.
Ooh, that's him frightened. Me nearly fraught up like a sprite. She put her mouth on the top and make the pressure pop. Oh my gosh! Run the little back! Run it!
Me frightened, me nearly fraught up like a sprite. She put her mouth on the top and make the pressure bust the pipe. No need for no whipped cream, no crushed
ice.
Jeez, thank you for the picture, man. I go put it on the side.
Oh my gosh. Nah, go expose the baby. Nobody know if you know. See me and you are fuck. Big up the tune. Run it! Lisa,
Everybody
I.
like.
Lisa, I.
Me feel.
I.
She make me feel.
I.
She give me.
Lisa, I.
Me like.
Lisa, I.
She make me feel.
If you can't tell, you see somebody do the reaction already. But literally just do the bomb buckle. Yo, my back say fuck. Song bad though, Deva. I'm not gonna lie to you. People you think about song down in the comment section. Let me know. If you song bad, drop some fire emoji right now. As a matter of fact, drop a like on the video and drop a comment. And if you don't know what to comment, drop some fire emoji. And we don't want one comment. I don't want two comments because we don't play number 2. 3 to 4 to 5 comments in the comment section. And if you don't know what to comment, drop some fire emoji in the bottom. Ready, Lisa?
Alright, me park the bike and then drive out to RVR. With presidential thing, me know why you see me with her. She said
presidential thing, people don't know that dark. He doesn't know nobody see with her, nobody at all. What else him say?
the engine want fix it, I forgot to if we go park.
Yeah.
So far she said pull off and pop the hood of me car. That's a good compressor, pressure regulator, brand new battery and fuel injector.
The battery brand new, the fuel injector. Oh my gosh, but listen the party. Listen the party.
Spewing her face when me rev it in a star.
Back.
Brand new battery
And fuel injector.
I'll spewing her face when me rev it in a star. Oh, she name make me no left it in a star.
What's your name? Lisa I. Lisa I.
She did it.
But she make me feel what?
She
I
got
know
brain.
that.
She make it swell.
Lisa
Can you do
I.
it again?
Lisa I. Lisa I.
bike. She said me shoulda drive because she want keep out of sight. Right, so me go book a room for the night. She said no worry about the money cause she have the capital. Then she said Deva, me I go take you on a flight.
Me say what?
Whatever, just do it like Nike.
Alright.
Balls forward. Soon as she grab the mic, cause she frisky with the tongue and her flows them tight. Me frightened, me nearly froze up like a sprite. She put her mouth on the top and make the pressure bust the pipe. No need for no whipped cream, no crush ice. Cheese, thank you for the picture, man. I go put it on the side.
Name Lisa I, Lisa I,
like.
Lisa I, Lisa I.
Me feel.
I.
She make me feel.
Blood clot. Hey, I'm gonna feel right. So no, say repeat. I'm gonna repeat the song over. No, fuck it.
Hyper.
Learn the tune. Lisa I.
She give me.
Lisa I.
Me like.
You like Lisa I.
She make me feel.
Hold on.
Me park the bike and then drive out to RVR.
Yeah.
Residential thing. Me know why you silly with that. She said the engine want fix it. I forgot tune if we go park.
Pull over.
She said pull over and pop the hood of me car.
Alright.
Good compressor, pressure regulator.
Yeah.
New battery and fuel
Injector.
I'll spew in our face when
Let
we
me
rev
rev
it
it.
in a star.
Oh
She
my
didn't make me no left it in a star.
Catch your name. Lisa I. Lisa I. Lisa I. I. Oh my God. Lisa I. Lisa I. Lisa I. Lisa I. Yo. I actually like that one more than the first one I'm gonna do. I made have to do it over. And then the idea, you don't know in chat. I go soon another one. Like up the video. You see my more reactions that come phone right now. But no, why? More reactions are forward phone right now. Lava.